Hey everybody, this is Amy Dean with BehaviorQueen.com. I'm so excited to share a new resource with you that I've created. After hearing the response from teachers and counselors on the behavior intervention strategies for educators, counselors, and parents for the 15-minute focus series, I was thrilled to hear about all the ways that the ideas have been helping in the classroom. Some of the feedback that I got has prompted me to create a little bit more. One of the questions was, I love these ideas, do you have any of these things already made? So now we do. The 15-minute focus workbook. Thrilled to announce Behavior Interventions, your roadmap for creating a positive classroom community. I wrote this book to create some of the ideas and the templates and the worksheets, the posters, so teachers, counselors, instructional coaches don't have to do it or spend the time searching for it. So you're going to find over 200 pages of ideas, exactly how to use it. They all have teacher directions, step by step, the templates, and what I'm most excited about is the bonus over 100 pages of free downloadable resources that most will be in color. So if you want to use one of the posters, one of the templates, one of the forms, you'll be able to just print that out and share it with students, put it on your wall, whatever is going to make it easier for you. Your roadmap for creating a positive classroom community starts out with the first 6 weeks, really helping you focus on creating that community and helping all students feel the 3 C's: connected, capable, and calm. After the 6 weeks, there are more activities to build community all year long. Then I've got 2 chapters dedicated solely to behavior interventions and helping individual students or whole classes that are struggling with behavior to improve on behavior. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to hear how your roadmap really helps you create a successful classroom community this year and helps you to teach hard, love harder.